For number 9, the center of the circle is given to us. This is slightly different numbers from what you saw in your quiz, but the same idea. So -4, -2, I know that that's the center of my circle, and then the y-axis is tangent to the circle. So I know that the y-axis here needs to just bump up against the circle without crossing through. So my circle from the center is just going to barely touch the y-axis and then scrape past it. I don't know exactly what that circle looks like, but at this point I have everything that I need from it. The center was given to me, and now by looking, it takes me 4 spaces before I can hit that y-axis. So I know my radius is 4. The equation of my circle still follows the same pattern as always. A Pythagorean setup, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Then x and a y, and then eventually a radius. Center, switch a sign to give me a +4 with the x, a +2 with the y. My radius was 4, and I'm going to square that to give me 16. So my final equation would be written as x + 4 all squared plus y + 2 all squared equals 16. As soon as we knew the radius of this, which just came from looking at the picture, then we had the equation. The radius of 4 got squared to end my equation with a 16.